Is this the best season for snails? Well, let's find out, guys, because in today's video, I discovered a snail market in Delta State. And the name of this market is Coco Market. The client sent snail's order and I must obey.
Good day. What I do?
This one,
This is original Coco.
Good morning, ma. Oh, I come now. You say AB, get it.
So now, see what they say. Okay, how much?
This one for 50,000. 45, 45.
50,000. How many pieces?
Like 20.
20 for 50,000.
I buy 3 places, no people. You tell your sister, say, make it go. Now you get that.
Finding Coco markets was a bit hectic, frustrating, and very, very stressful because this is the first time I'm coming to this particular market. We were told to go to this particular market that we are heading to right now. But unfortunately, when we got there was no snail at all. So we found only 2 people selling snail in this huge market. As you can see, this particular market is for food stuff, as I'm seeing. And we got there round, we see plantains, we saw yam, we saw different vegetables in this particular market. After touring around this market and there was no headway, we had to turn back and ask for direction on where we can actually get some good snails for our clients.
Understand? You say how much?
500. 200 though. 200.
Ah.
How much for plantain?
So after touring around this particular market, food market, we had to ask for a headway to Coco Market. And right now we are in Coco Market. We got the direction, guys. And this snails is massive. The market is massive. We can see quite a lot of snails, unlike the previous market that we went to. I mean, it was dry. There was no snail. We saw only 2 people selling snail in that particular first market that we head to.
How much one price? How many pieces there inside and I will
Good day. What I do?
This one,
This is original Coco.
Your 4 points, go for
No, wait. This one are for fruits. This is I can.
40 people, this one, give me 30,000. 30,000.
This one go.
That was 7,000.
I go price, I no go price. And the small one. This one, give me 3,000.
I'll give you go.
Good morning, ma. Oh, I come now. You say AB, get it.
So now, see what they say. Okay, how much?
This one 50,000. 55, 45.
50,000. How many pieces?
Now 20.
20 for 50,000. Oh.
Fresh mango there. Past, you know what I mean? They hear the smell of mango.
How about your own, madam? This one 75. This one 15. 450.
Which one you come price now?
No, price now, price. How much last?
You said how much?
5,000.
How many did you?
7. They say my mom.
You say 4, 5. I say, babe, give me 3, 5. See this one, they down. Yeah, that's my mama day. She don't go. What do we go do now?
The price is for my phone.
How much?
20 pieces.
One more.
You need 28,000.
No, you go. No light, so. What I do? He said 2. He said 2.5.
How much is it?
He said 2,000. 3.5. This one, he placed it for me. Now he's telling me time. How many? Come, go start this one way for you.
Maybe some people wear the textile, they don't have the amount.
Now they come.
Yeah, give me 35.
Too high.
How much will I give you?
Wait, make I make call first, I beg.
No, almost the same size. I can say what for you.
They send me message, so I don't want make somebody come to shout for me. You understand? Now waiting I dey avoid. If na my own now, I know how I want to take that.
Say 5,000.
He said how much? 5,000.
5,000, 3,000, 2,000.
You go make your
I just give instances. That one is plenty very well. Your friend they call you. No. That one how much? Now price be the thing, don't be buying. This one how much? Everything there. Even me I there. So this one how much now? No, I don't.
No, madam. You don't reduce that, I think you can add that.
I don't even like this one. I don't like her. I want share. Two people. 20. Abi. Who go pick up for back? No, that amount is okay. Where my jara put am for there? Don't come, please. Okay.
I buy 3 places, no people. You tell your sister, say make it go. Now you get that.
Huh?
You say 4,000. See.
They take the